So, what's this down there? D I N. What comes after N? I?
Mm-hmm.
It comes after N?
Yeah, what next?
What? What comes after I?
Spell it in your head.
What comes after I? Mummy.
What comes after I?
What? You know?
I know. Do you know?
I do know.
What is it?
What? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Spell it in your head. Spell your name.
D-I-N. D-I. Oh, D. D-I-N-I-E.
That's the one. And last one. And show me.
It's spelled. Look.
Let me see. Nice and still so I can see it on my camera. Hey, there it is. Good job. Good job, Dan.